everyone. Good afternoon, good evening, good night to wherever you're hearing me from. I am here to say thank you. Dalu Eshigoni to 600k viewers. What am I saying? 600k plus viewers on Dark Soul, the movie. Dark Soul. Y'all all are amazing. Y'all all are doing so well. I mean, thank you for supporting this little girl. Thank you for supporting this brand. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you all. Now to the next level. I'm here to tell you that Ganusi, Rock Company Ganusi is coming from the stable of Christian Abuluwade Production. Continue streaming Christian Abuluwade in production, and make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Even your enemy, doesn't matter. Thank you so much. I really love and appreciate you all. Thank you.